Today we're going to talk about scale text and pin text in Squarespace. And this came about when I got some questions about some of the sites I've built and how this happens. You'll notice this up by "We look forward to meeting you" just kind of stays there as I scroll. I did this for our site here, introducing me, a person, but you see how my name stays and as everything scrolls, and people are like, "Hey, did you code that?" And I didn't. This is kind of a new feature, relatively new feature that they have in Squarespace for text, and it's pretty easy actually. Even though it looks really cool, it's not hard. So I'm in my demo site here, and I'm gonna do a new section. One will have a picture over here and some text over on the left. Let's get rid of this button. Let's change our picture, and we'll replace it with something unique to us on the right hand side. And then what we're going to do here after this loads, okay, so it finally loaded here. What we'll do is we'll put just maybe a little image effect on it just for fun. So we'll do maybe a parallax. So then what we'll do is we will change this to Fervorfish. And we'll take it over here. But notice it's not scaling. So what scale text does is if you go to the text and you see this little scale A over here for scale text, it will scale it so that it'll follow what you want to do. See there? So that's scale text, and that's pretty handy if you want to have your text scale to what you want to do here. So we'll put that there. We'll put this over here. We'll make this a little smaller. And this is our text here, right? Now what we're going to do is let's have a long text, set of text here in the middle. So we have that going on. And we can duplicate this. Put this over here. We could say this is media for Reverse Media, and you see how it scales as well. If you don't want it to be as big, you can make it smaller. Or we can make this whole thing. And you see how it scales? That's really cool because scaling your text is a lot of fun. So we'll keep this media over here somewhere, and we can even change the color like I did to white. See there? Maybe we'll make this a little smaller and this a little bigger, kind of make some fun of it. All right, and then to get these larger text to stay where they are as you scroll down, it's really simple. It's this little pin button here. So if you go to your text and you click on this pin button, you can pin it right to the back. See there? Here you can offset it, and you can do other effects here. But we're going to pin this one over here too. You see? It's just a little pin. You see there? You can offset, you can arrange it, but the cool thing, what happens is you now have, it now stays where it is, see? It's pretty cool, right? And you kind of have this pinned motion here. So the combination of your scale text and your pin gives it a cool effect, and it keeps it where it is, and it looks pretty cool. It looks like you did some kind of coding or something, but it's really quite simple. So enjoy your scaled text and your pins.